Where am I? Huh? Yeah. Wait. Huh? Where am I? Wait. Puppet. No. I'm an animatronic, ain't I? Ah! I'm in the box. Lock it. Wait. No. That means I died. Well then. Music not winded killed the night guard? The one who killed you? No, I did not die from a night guard. I died from an animatronic gun in 19... Dink. This place is confusing. Where's the box? I don't like that there's an animatronic in there. That's not an animatronic. That's the night guard? Huh? Nah. Ooh. I have bits. Wonder where can... Ow. Ow. Where can I get with this? Luckily, the place is never gonna kill me, right? Right? Oh, milk. I can always have milk. 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 Who knows? I might be allergic to milk in 20. 70? Prize corner. I want that flower, and that flower. No, you don't get flowers. You get death. I'm an animatronic. Ow. Well then, run. Why did I hear that noise? Go now. What are you doing? You broke the floor. I can fix that. No, you can't. You're an animatronic. Animatronics are better than you think, bozo. Anyway, why are you in here? You didn't wind the music box. What do you mean? What do you... I just killed him. I'm proud of this. Wait, this is my first day. Oh god, I just made a bad reputation on my first day. I don't even know anyone. Oh no. Wait, this place isn't even open yet? Huh. And it won't be if I'm doing what I'm doing. What are you doing? I'm gonna make this place go boom. No, you're not. You sound like a child. I am an animatronic. No, you're not. I got shoved in a chute when I was 5. Oh. Still a child. Animatronic. My name's Bloom Boy, and everyone hates me. I would bring the hate back to them. No. I can't sleep. This means this isn't a dream. God. If I just look in a corner, oh I won't have to leave. He's still out there. But there's no one out there. I never said I was out there. I just said I'm here. Oh, God. There's a balloon boy? Oh, no, not him. He's back! Everybody run! Everybody run! Why is Bonbon here? Because I like to. Bonbon? No one else is here! Who's speaking? Oh, yeah, we're in a mic set. Yeah. Yeah. Who was that? Oh, no. Fun time, Freddy. You want chicken? No. Well, then you get steak. The best food. I said I don't want food. No, you said you don't want chicken. God damn. I don't know who wants chicken. It's good. Oh, no. Is he being imposed? No. He ate the steak. Yes. Come with me to the new location. How? Oh, yeah, I forgot. If you leave the location, you die. Knock. I regret. There's no one here, hopefully. No, you'll meet him. There's someone here, but he's not here right now, but you'll definitely meet him soon. Oh, God. Please just explode, Pizzeria. I don't want to be here now.